Hi, Grateful. Good morning. So we will be doing lesson 3 of week 5, and this is our last lesson for the roller coaster project. The essential question says, what is the relation of speed and energy? That means, what is the relation of energy of motion or kinetic energy, or what would happen to the speed if you increase the kinetic energy? Fine. So the learning intention says I can write a procedure to build a roller coaster, and the other learning intention says I can use recycled materials to build a roller coaster and present my project through a video. So first you will be doing page 6, and here you will be listing the materials that you will be using. Fine. So this procedure you can leave. You will be using your own creative idea to build your roller coaster project. So ignore this part. But here you will be listing the materials that you will be using to build your project. Page 7 says procedure. It's linked to English. How to build a roller coaster, like in English you did how to make a salad or how to make a toast. So you have to use the same strategy to write the instructions, like you'll be using your adverbs, you'll be using the time openers, and your instructions should be organized, they should be numbered. So you have to recall the lesson that we have done about instructional writing and try to recall the features of instructional writing and write in steps in proper order that how you built your roller coaster. So the last thing you have to do now is you have to build your model. So for ideas to build a roller coaster, you can move to the next slides and check. But you have to be creative and come up with your own ideas. Fine. I have just shared this with you so that you just get a clue or idea that how you can build your own roller coaster. You do not need to exactly copy paste this thing. Fine. So it's just for you to give, it's just there for you to give you the idea that how you can work out on your roller coaster project. Fine. Here we go. So now once you are done with the procedure writing, you have listed the materials, you have built the project, in the end you have to record a video. So to what you have to do, record a video to present the model of your roller coaster. Why are we making this, or why are you making this video? Is to present the model of your roller coaster, how your roller coaster looks like, and you're going to explain what materials did you use to build the model and how did you build it. And in the video you will also explain how did you use the concept of force, energy, speed, friction, gravity and height to complete the project, why it's important, that how force and energy are related to your roller coaster project, where can you see friction and gravity in a roller coaster project. So this all you will be explaining in a video, and in the video you will also explain what problems did you face during the project. Fine. And did you make any improvement in your planning, did you improve the project or you rebuild it again for some reason, what were those reasons and what improvement have you done in your project. So do talk about it. And other than this, you should be loud and clear with no background sound, so that when you are sending the video to your teacher or you are attaching the video on Google Classroom, your teacher should might be able to hear you properly. So you should be audible, be confident during the shoot, and most importantly, attach the video on Google Classroom. You are not going to email the video to your teachers, you are going to attach the video on Google Classroom. And last but not the least, do not forget you will be marked out of 24. And once you are done with everything, do not forget to revisit the project rubric that I shared in week 5, lesson 1, so that you can um, have a look at that rubric and check that whether you have met all the expectations of the project or not, or if something is missing, you need to add to the project. And finally, you have got your exit ticket. your name, class. And the last one says, did you feel prepared for today's lesson? Why or why not? So the last date to submit this project is 26th of October, when you will be coming back from the midterm break. So you have got sufficient time to finish lesson 3 successfully, and see you after the midterm break. Thank you. Good luck. Bye bye.